I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the iPhone so transfer works reliably. Open the App Store, install ShareIt, then grant photos and files access. This lets the app read and write your media. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. ShareIt uses local connections for speed. Next, tap Send or Receive in the app. Accept any permission pop-ups. These steps ensure devices can discover one another and prevent interruptions when you begin the transfer. Now you select what to transfer and establish the connection. Tap the content category, photos, videos, apps, or files, and pick items with multi-select for efficiency. Then choose the receiver method. Scan a QR code, use Connect to PC, or let ShareIt detect nearby devices. Once the other device appears, confirm its name and icon. This prevents accidental sends. Keep both screens on and close together to maintain the local Wi-Fi or hotspot link. Finish the transfer by watching the progress indicators and verifying received files. When done, tap Complete and open the Photos or Files app to confirm integrity. Thumbnails load slower for large videos. If something goes wrong, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, restart ShareIt, or reselect the file and resend. This clears temporary socket issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if ShareIt can't discover devices, enable Personal Hotspot on one iPhone and connect the other to it. Then retry the transfer, which forces a direct local link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.